Hi friends, meditation brings a holistic change in every individual. It changes the mindset to be positive and miraculous. Meditation simply transforms lives no matter who that is. Millions of people are changing their lives and practicing every day. And so dear friends, join us in this most empowering and visionary conference called the Global Conference of Meditation Leaders in New Delhi. This is our attempt to take meditation to the leadership across various organizations and various verticals to create intense awareness and help them and train and then roll out meditation programs in their organizations. Make a difference to yourself, to everybody around. Thank you.